Your body can self-heal. Now, this isn't just my opinion, it's an eternal truth. In fact, it's the first law of naturopathy. Vis medicatrix naturae, which means healing power of nature. We are products of nature itself, made from the 5 elements that the universe is built upon: space, air, fire, water, and earth. These are the Panch Mahabhutas, as you may be aware, and yes, every cell in your body is created from them. Your arteries, your heart, every single tissue, but it needs support. To truly heal, your body needs the right tools, and these tools aren't magic pills or quick fixes. They are powerful nutrients, the very building blocks your heart and artery cells are literally starving for. So in this video, I will share 5 essential nutrients, okay, that can help your arteries repair, protect your blood vessel, and keep your heart young and strong for decades to come. So let's start with the first nutrient, which is vitamin E, which is your body's natural rust protector. Just like metal rust when it's exposed to oxygen, your arteries can rust too. It's called oxidative stress. So vitamin E helps prevent that damage by protecting your LDL cholesterol from turning toxic. Listen guys, LDL itself is never the problem. The real culprits, always remember this, they are oxidized LDL, inflammation, and most importantly, soft plaque. These are the culprits, not LDL. Now, focus on getting your vitamin E from foods like sunflower seeds, almonds, and spinach. Now, for my subscribers, I've prepared a short health guide, and it includes all 5 nutrients, the daily recommended amounts, the foods rich in each, plus a few heart-healthy meal plans that naturally include them in the right balance. You will find fact sheets like these in that guide. I truly believe that if you follow one of these diet plans for just 28 days, which is one lunar cycle, one natural healing cycle of the human body, along with, of course, a healthy lifestyle, you can drastically clean up your arteries and feel the difference. So to get access to this short heart health guide, simply comment love down below and we will send it across. All right, next up, vitamin B12. This is very critical for the heart and it's the cleanup crew for your blood. Now, when your vitamin B12 is low, a compound called homocysteine, okay, homocysteine, it silently builds up. It's like this sticky sludge in your pipes. And high homocysteine silently damages your artery walls and increases your risk of heart disease and stroke. And together with vitamin B9 and B6, B12 converts homocysteine into methionine, which is an essential amino acid, which your body can, of course, actually use. Now, vitamin B12 is also important in supporting red blood cell formation and oxygen transport to the heart. It maintains nerve health and energy production in heart muscle cells, and it works synergistically with B6 and folate to protect the cardiovascular system. Okay, these are the animal-based sources for vitamin B12. It's true that it's mostly available in animal foods, but there are some powerful plant-based sources as well. And you will find this fact sheet, this complete vegan sources for vitamin B12 in that heart health guide. So just comment love and we will send it across to you. Now let's talk about the mineral your heart loves the most. That is magnesium. Actually, your heart loves every nutrient, but magnesium is special because it's the ultimate relaxant. It helps your arteries relax, lowers tension, balances your heartbeat, and supports healthy blood pressure. It's required for more than 300 enzyme reactions, 300, that fuels your cell. It supports detox and keep your insulin sensitivity strong. Now, magnesium keeps your blood vessels flexible, your energy steady, and your stress under control. Yet most people are deficient because of stress, caffeine, and processed food. They drain magnesium fast. So you need to load up on pumpkin seeds. Okay. These contain the highest quantity of magnesium content. The RDA for magnesium is 400 to 420 mg per day for men. It's 310 to 320 for women. And if you just add 1 ounce, that is 28 grams of pumpkin seeds, it will provide you with 156 mg of magnesium, which is amazing. Right, so let's just move on to the next heart healthy nutrient, and that is potassium. Right, so just consider this to be your cell. This is your nucleus. Inside your cell, it's mostly potassium. Whereas outside your cell, you find sodium. As a thumb rule, water follows sodium. So more sodium you eat, the more water your body holds. And when that happens, pressure builds up in your arteries and blood pressure rises as a result. Heart rate goes up, and that's exactly what we don't want. Okay, you need to aim for roughly 3 to 5 times more potassium than sodium, which means you need to cut back on all the processed foods, and that's where the sodium is found. Potassium, just like magnesium, are found in many food, but the top sources are baked potatoes. It's a big surprise for most people, but baked potato with skin, just one medium baked potato, will provide you with 926 mg of potassium. Now, this is the RDA, and always remember 3 to 5 times more potassium than sodium. That's what you need. And now let's shift our focus to the last nutrient, and that is omega-3. Omega-3 is liquid gold for your arteries. It can help soothe inflammation, it lowers triglycerides, and help your blood stay thin and smooth, preventing clots. This is essential. Now, if you eat fatty fish like twice a week, you're already doing great. But if you're a vegan or can't get access to mercury-free clean fish, then you can opt to choose a high-quality omega-3 supplement with both optimal levels of EPA and DHA. Now, in your heart health guide, again, you will find these kind of fact sheets. This is the RDA for omega-3, and then there is a therapeutic range, which I kind of explain the rationale behind in the Heart Healthy Guide. So comment love if you need to get that guide. And these are the chief functions. Ideally, 2 to 4 grams per day of EPA plus DHA is required for triglyceride reduction, cardiovascular support. There are a few studies which also suggest that optimal blood pressure reduction can be seen at 3 grams per day of EPA plus DHA. Also in the Heart Healthy Guide, I've included a comprehensive table with conversion calculations of ALA, which is the plant-based form of omega-3. But unfortunately, the conversion ratio is extremely low, because the usable form of omega-3 by the body is in the form of EPA and DHA. So ALA needs to be converted into EPA and DHA, and the conversion is very less, but still it's possible to get enough omega-3 from plant-based sources. You just need to figure out the right sources and optimal quantities. And again, if you need the guide, just comment love, we will send it across. Now, guys, listen, your heart isn't doomed to get clogged with age. Your arteries are living tissue. They can heal, they can renew, and even clear plaque when you nourish them the right way. So start feeding your heart these 5 nutrients every single day and give it the love it deserves. If this video helped you, hit like, share it with someone you love, and make sure to subscribe for more content like this. I'm Akash. Thank you so much for your time.